Good morning! It is the morning of June 3rd. It's 6:30 in the morning right now. I woke up at 5:30. It's great for me. I'm so happy about it. And we're getting ready to go. The only thing that we just have left to pack are just a couple of like basic things. Hello in the background. You need to come up here or else it's gonna make the lighting really overexposed. Hello. We're going to get breakfast right now. I'm going to Dunkin' because I like my avocado toast and we're gonna take him to Starbucks because he likes one of their breakfast sandwiches. So I'm so sorry. It's early and I can't vlog that well, but I will be taking you with us today just while we go around and get to the airport and on the flight and everything. So it's gonna be a nice vlog, and we'll vlog of course like the first few hours in New York. It's gonna be a really fun time, and I'll show you the hotel room and all of that good stuff. I feel like it's gonna be a really nice hotel. I know our room is relatively small because it has like a big open area like bedroom, and then it has a bathroom, so it's not like a big hotel room, but it has a beautiful city view. That was like the most important thing to me, and it has like a rooftop bar terrace situation, so I know that's where I'm gonna be editing all these videos. It's gonna be on that rooftop, so I'm very excited. But to lunch or breakfast, I got a Charlie drink. I don't know, I forgot what this is actually called. I used to know what it was called before it was called the Charlie, but I forgot what it's called, so I just said, do you still have the drink called the Charlie? The girl was like, yeah. So I got that, and then I got my avocado toast, and then it was a free donut day. If you bought a drink, you got a free donut, so that's super exciting. I got that, and now we're headed to Starbucks to get Frapp's breakfast. All right, breakfast has been eaten, and I wanted to show you my outfit. My dog is not very happy. I've got my totem sweater on. This is my white one, like my cream colored one. I know that in my packing video, I said that I was only gonna take one of them, but I don't know, I decided on this one too. So here's this, and then I've got my Eileen Fisher pants on. These are super comfy, and I just got it tucked in. And then I've got my Celine sneakers. Now you can see them, but yeah, I've got my Celine sneakers on. That's the fit. I've got everything already, well, all I need to do is just zip this up because I was throwing in like last minute things. And then I've got my 2 carry-ons here. Well, I've got my 1 carry-on, and then you're allowed to have like a bag, like a purse. So this is my bag purse. My mom should be coming to get us like any minute now. It's 7:08, and I think she's gonna be here at like 7:30. Also, I'm very excited because Cassie Thorpe recently, her and her boyfriend made the move to New York. I think they're gonna stay there for a few years, and I really kind of hope that I run into her on like while I'm there, and it'd be really fun. So we made it to the airport. You're not gonna be able to hear this. We made it to the airport. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? I can't wait. I'm very excited. So we have probably like maybe an hour until we get on the plane. Yeah, exactly an hour. So I'll let you know when we get on that. Guys, no, you continue, please. We've made it to our hotel room. I feel like I don't even need, let me turn the exposure down. I feel like I don't even need the exposure, but we've made it to the hotel and to our hotel room. And I've already cried because I want to show you this view. Genuinely, I don't think I've seen anything more beautiful except for maybe Italy. Like, look at that over there. Like, I don't even know what that is. I'm happy to explore it. This right here, I think that is the Empire State Building, that really super tall one right there. And also this hotel has a rooftop terrace kind of situation, so I 1,000,000% know where I'm going to be editing these videos. But we are starving, and it's currently around like 3:30, I think, on nearing 4. So we are going to go get our first food here. We don't even know where we're gonna go, but I do think that I need to change really quick, or at least put on shorts. So we're trying hot pot for the first time. This is what I really wanted to try. Like the first thing I wanted to try when I got here. We're actually gonna get ramen, but the ramen place ended up being like super far away. So we came right here to get hot pot, and this place is like one of the top 10 hot pot places in New York. And it's like literally right in front of the hotel that we're staying at. So I'm so excited. We got the two. This one's spicy, this one's not spicy, and then I'll show you everything else when we get it. We gotta get closer to this. And now we've come into the World Trade Center, and it's famous because everything is white. This is so... It has... What is it a mall?
It's both. It's a station, a mall, it's everything.
Oh my goodness. Well, let's go shop. Wow. We popped into Rebag. Oh my god. I love that LV tote bag, so cute. Did my eyes deceive me? I think this is the exact Celine nano luggage that I was looking for. And it's in that like coal color. Oh baby. Wow. All right, you guys, we're back in the hotel room. It's been a very big day. So I think I was wrong. When I said earlier that this was the Empire State Building, I don't think that's right. I think that might be the summit, but I'm not 1,000,000% sure. But look at the room at night. What are you doing?
Pizza.
He got both of those slices of pizza for what, $3?
Yep.
That's insane. And then I got, here's my little grocery haul. I got some chips, some pretzels. I was afraid that I was getting sick, so I got a ginger shot, and I got 2 of these that are salami that have cheese, and these are so good. And then I got an Italian style wrap for if I get hungry later, which I doubt that I will. But I'll put this in the fridge. We have a little mini fridge in here. And I've already got my little Heineken in there. Anyways, I think I am going to end this vlog here, and we made it to New York, you guys. I'm so excited. I know the lighting is so bad. I apologize, but this is our first New York vlog, and I hope that you enjoyed it. There will be plenty more to come. I honestly don't even know what we're going to be doing tomorrow. Just more walking around, to be honest. Was there a place that we really wanted to go? Do you remember?
Empire State Building?
Yeah, the Empire State Building. There was a place called Ichiran.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, ramen, but that is a bit further away. So we really want to go there, but we'll see. Tomorrow's a new day, but right now I am actually exhausted. I think that we walked like 13, well, I checked a few minutes, like an hour ago, and it said 12,000 steps. And then we went back out and got like the pizza and the stuff from the 7-Eleven. So now I'd probably say around like 13,000 steps. And that was a lot. So good night, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. And ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!